Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with the first two of the 4 albums that will go in the Traveler's Trunk that I posted 2 or 3 weeks ago. So the overall design on both of these albums is the same. We have adventure, we have fantasy. They both have a 2-inch spine. And on both of these, the shaker cover sits down inside the cover of the book so that it's not adding additional bulk to the cover. So let's take a look at the adventure one first. So of course we have our little shaker elements here. These, for the front of both of these, I used the Simple Stories page pieces. Most of the elements from that fantasy, I didn't use as many as I did with the adventure. The adventure one, it was just perfect for like scene building essentially. So it is a deeper shaker, but the pieces inside are layered just to give it some dimension. When you open this up, on the back side of that, we have a couple of flaps here with our little tiki birds. And the foam stickers from the collection, which I absolutely adore. The front of the page design, and the pages are the same all the way through. The front of the page design has an acetate flap. I used my scan and cut to mat around some of the stickers and the ephemera pieces in the collection. We've got the 3x4 here, and then we've got a page pocket that has a little bit of a gusset here so you can get a lot of photos and things in here. So the back side, we've got flaps that come up and down, and I didn't put any matting in here just because when you put pictures in there, it's going to be too bulky. And this is actually sitting on a belly band that runs through the entire page, so you can tuck some more things back in there. So it just continues on. So here we have our little Jungle Cruise boat and our little cut apart here that says Let's Cruise. Again, not matted inside, so we have adventures out there. For the mats that these cut aparts are on, I used the Dress My Crafts corner punch that Bonnie showed on her live about a month ago. And it's so cute, and it gives such a neat look to those pages. So again, we've got our flap and our flap. And again, we've got our cut apart here. And so on and so forth. Same thing with the tiki birds again, because I love that page. And then here we've got our little Jungle Cruise stuff again. And there we go. Okay. This one did get a little chunkier than I anticipated, partially because when I put my hinge mechanism in here, I put it too close to the front, and by the time I realized it, I couldn't fix it. So this one does pop out a little bit. Once it's in the box, it's fine. The Fantasyland one because I worked out all the kinks in the design with that one. This one, we've got, again, the page piece elements. This fantasy one was a little bit longer than I needed, so I actually did trim it off on one end. The little book here, I used some of the phrase stickers that are on the sticker sheet in the collection. I've got the castle in there and the pixie dust, and then the shaker element that's in here is a new one from Buttons Galore that just got put in the shop, and it's called Make-A-Wish, and it's a very different mix than what they've done in the past, and I absolutely love them. Okay, so we've got our little Yeti on the spine, teacups on the back, and when you open it up, again, we've got our flaps here and here. We've got our acetate flap, and then our small 3x4 cut-apart flap. Again, I used the Scan and Cut to mat some of the stickers and ephemera pieces. This one, I have two of the pages where the 4x6 is turned. And again, it just opens up the exact same way. It sits on the belly band, just like in the other book. So here we've got Leave a Little Magic Wherever You Go. What a Wild Ride. We've got the carousel. And there we go there. We've got another cut apart. We've got the pirate ship. Time for some magic. Yeti or Not. Here we go. That one's just cute. I love him. We've got the tea party lanterns. Small World. Let's Go for a Spin. And then just a good journaling spot. One more cut apart. And then we've got Tea Party again, because the very first time we took my son to Disney World, he was 2.5. His favorite ride was the teacups. I didn't think my stomach was going to make it. And the faster Chris would spin it, the happier he was and the more he would laugh, so I kind of just had to suck it up and deal with it. It was adorable, but oh, not fun. Okay, do you like your tea fast or slow? And then there we go there, and there we go. So, I am working on getting the tutorial edited, and we'll have that up hopefully tomorrow. But for now, here's your walkthrough so you know what you're looking forward to. Let me grab the box. So, here's our travel trunk. Opens up this way, and then we've got our big flap on the front. And so both of these will slide perfectly right down in here, and we've got space for our other two lands for their books as well. So I'm going to get started on those two books for that area, and our big folio that's going to slide in the back here. And then I have something that I'm going to do that's a little bit different with the frames, the chipboard frames that came with this collection that we're going to be able to put in here. So stay tuned. I will hopefully be back before you know it with the rest of the items for this very large project. Thanks for watching. Watch for the tutorial tomorrow. Bye.